Imagine leaving a Zoom meeting and later receiving an AI-generated transcript of everything everyone said about you after you left that meeting. That's exactly what happened in this incident. When an AI meeting assistant continued recording a VC firm's private conversation and sent that transcript to someone who shouldn't have received it. AI meeting assistants like Otter AI and Fathom, they all work the same way. They will listen into your conversations during the meeting and record and send a detailed summary to every recipient in that meeting. And they do a pretty good job at it. But they can also leak sensitive company information. Now, many of you will chalk this up to a privacy configuration issue, but actually I see it differently. I see this as a context awareness problem. If you think about what a human assistant would do, they will naturally know when a conversation's over, when a meeting is over, and they'll know what information to send and what information should be kept private. Most AI meeting assistants aren't set up this way. Unless you specifically tell them, they will continue executing the pre-programmed workflows and execute them faithfully and send out information to everyone. And this goes to a design principle that I'm realizing a lot of companies who will be building tools like this have. They tend to optimize for frictionless user experience. They try to make using these tools as easy and painless as possible. But in doing so, they tend to forget information sharing. And yes, you can go in and you can configure the tools to set them up the way so they don't disclose some information, but that assumes people will go in and set this up ahead of time. And most people don't do this. In fact, many people using these tools may not even be aware of these features at all. And this becomes a problem when you start looking at this away from the individual level to more of an organizational level, where concerns about governance, controlling information, making sure confidential information doesn't get shared out to third parties. Those are some of the concerns that many of these organizations have, and that's a challenge that I don't think many of these AI meeting assistants are correctly addressing. Check out my AI Fail Most Matrix. Link is in the description.